I'm not so gross.
Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World, and don't forget to subscribe to be a part of my world. So, if you can't already tell, I'm Marla, and this is my brother Jafar.
Yes, sir.
Follow him on Instagram.
Jafar435 _435 with 2 R's.
Okay, I'll leave the link to his profile in the description.
Yeah.
But anyways, in this video, we're gonna attempt the water crackers challenge. I see a lot of Jamaicans doing it, and I was like, why not? Because I love water crackers. Do you?
Shit's just dry. Isn't it?
I mean, it is dry. I usually drink it. I usually have it with tea or Lasco or something.
I told you before.
So how this is gonna work is we're gonna each get 10 crackers. I think there's more than 10 in there, more than 20 in there. So we're each gonna get 10, and then the first person to eat them off, or no, the person who eats the most in 3 minutes wins.
Yeah.
And you can't drink any water while you're doing it. So
you drink water, you forfeit, you quit.
Exactly, and that means I'll win.
Whatever you say.
So yes, let's get into it.
We got another one just in case, but I doubt we don't use it because you know what I mean.
So 1, 2, 3, 4,
I can
5,
hear the
6,
drying. I can hear it dry.
7, 8, 9, 10. Come take your 10. This I want to eat with fish. You boil it down with the fish or whatever. I'm not eat fish, so don't judge me, okay guys? I don't eat fish.
I think this is 10, 3, 6. Yeah.
Okay, come here and see if I cheat already. So we're gonna put. I'm nervous now. Okay, so we're gonna put 3 minutes on the timer. Okay, 3. Let's do 4. Let's do 4.
4 minutes?
Yeah, 4 minutes.
Whenever you want to start.
Okay, guys, and now we start.
3, 2, 1, go. Out of everything, I'm sorry. Out of everything, we chose this one. Bruh, you won already. That.
No, you gotta play.
No!
Stop! You're making me lose.
You're going my mouth, bro.
You imagine if you had braces on right now. Your braces would have been broken.
I ate everything they told me not to eat with my braces and it never broke. Some people eat like some people drink a soda, done. You gotta put a whole band. My mouth is not. My mouth is so dry. My mouth is so dry, bro.
Drink the water. You can't breathe.
I only got 2 minutes left on the timer. Right now, a minute. even swallow these dry ass crackers, bro. Nah, say one more. Say one more. Nah, man. I'm unable to swallow this. I'm really not kidding. I'm really not kidding. I'm not able to swallow these dry ass crackers, man. I don't know how you do it. You built different, bro. I don't know how you do it, bro. Like,
I think I'm gonna win. Oh, what? We can't make it win.
probably if I was hungry, I would have been slapping these up. Maybe.
I ain't hungry. I just had something to eat.
How long ago was that?
Maybe an hour?
That was long ago. I just ate like a whole bowl of food.
Excuses.
Not excuses, probably, you know?
Excuse them.
We got 20 seconds left on the clock.
We got 22 seconds, got it.
By the time I was finished.
I won, guys.
Yeah, this the challenge I'll lose to. They had chicken nugget challenge last time when I wasn't here, and I would have.
It's going off.
And I would have dominated that, but nah. This ain't it. I'm sorry.
I won.
Probably if this was even Popeye's biscuit, I probably would. At least.
Popeye's biscuit be dry.
It's not worse than this. This has nothing. At least it got a little bit of something in it. You know what I mean? This is just like. Bruh, hey, damn, bro, shit's as hard as hell, like.
Maybe finish each potato.
Yeah, I'm done with this. I'm sorry. 2 is all I could do. I was literally physically, I couldn't even swallow them.
It's a shame you can't eat 2 after crackers.
I mean, I wasn't even that hungry, but still, these shits is dry, like dry, bro. Like nothing, no little saltiness to help it, no little sweetness, no little. Some cinnamon, like not even no cinnamon crackers we ain't get, like nothing, like dang.
So guys, basically you lost.
I'll lose this challenge. I don't care. Let's get another one. I'll probably win that one. Whatever it is, I'm gonna win it. I don't like to lose, especially eating, but this. We should do a.
I know me at crackers and I'm a motor too.
I'll leave it coming. Thinking of another challenge that we should do.
Guys, comment down below and let me know what challenges you guys have in mind or want to see us do. I saw this challenge. Well, it's not a challenge, but it's like we could do a video like Jamaicans trying Korean snacks. What do you think?
Korean, that would be dope. I haven't tried any. We probably like tried it, but don't even know it's probably.
No, man. They have Spanish. They have Chinese written on it, so I won't even know what they are.
Yeah, probably. I want to try it. We should do that.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. So let me know if you guys want to see it. But we're going to do it because. And I'm picky. I might get greedy Nicole to help us because she greedy.
You gotta stop calling out Nicole like that. Come on, bro.
And she be eating everything.
So she like to eat, and I like to eat too.
You don't like to eat as much as Nicole.
Nicole, you gonna have to beat her up. You're gonna have to body slam her into the ground, bro. Oh my gosh. Chop all over the world. Yeah, but she won this challenge. I'm sorry, I'll take this out.
Yeah. Guys, I won and I finally finished it. There's no more left in my mouth. And that's on period. Hey.
You take that, that is all you.
I won. Oh, guys, Team Marla in the comments if you haven't already typed it because you know it's Team Marla.
Was this first or second challenge you won on your channel? See how salty she got? Dang, that's all it took.
Got salted like saltine.
That's all it took. Man, I'll probably slap some saltine crackers up over this. It's like,
oh my goodness! You remember those dry ones when we just came to America? The dry salty.
Yeah, but those,
those
is
are
like
dry.
but those is like just hard and just
It's because
dry.
this is thicker than saltine.
Yeah, and it's just like it's 3 layers of dryness in that. I ain't got time for that. My mouth just yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, don't forget to comment down below, Team Marla, and
Yes,
also comment
sir.
what video you would like to see us doing next.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and we will see you in the next video. So stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye, guys.